Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video we will see the part 2 of my previous video, UniFi Traffic Rules Made Easy. So in this video we will test the traffic speed limit on UniFi devices by testing the speed on Wi-Fi as well as the wired client. So right now I'm connected to the IoT Wi-Fi. As you can see on the screen, I'm connected to the IoT Wi-Fi. So I will go ahead and check the speed test. Does it limit the speed on download and upload or not? I will run the speed test here. So right now it's testing the download speed. So you can see, so the speed limit works right now. The download goes up to 45.4 Mbps and the upload should also go the same. So the speed limit works on the Wi-Fi. Similarly, we will test on the wired client.
So I am testing the traffic rules speed limit on the wired devices. I've connected this laptop to the switch port and applied port profile, and as you can see it is getting the IP address on that VLAN range of the IoT group. So let's test the speed for this laptop. So running the speed test. So it should limit the speed up to 50 Mbps. It's downloading the speed now. The download speed is 47.8 Mbps. Similarly, the upload should be the same. So the traffic limitation speed limit works. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.